Hey there. One of the animation websites that I chose to use and to walk through as a tutorial is Canva. And I use Canva for lots of presentations, flyers, um, Facebook posts, things that if I want it to be a little bit more creative, I've created a Christmas card on here. So I've used it for lots of different ways, but I had never used it to create a video before. So this was something new for me. But it's very easy to use. So I wanted to walk you through a couple of the steps. If you are new to Canva, you can start from the start page. I already have an account. It's free for educators, and educators get the Canva Pro, which has lots of the different, like the professional, the elements, the text, lots of the stock photos, videos, music, all those kinds of things that normally you would have to pay for are included in the Pro version, free for teachers. So if you don't have it, I definitely suggest having a Canva account. So over here on the left, you can create a new design. And when you create a new design, it has lots of templates for whatever you want to choose to create. So today I chose a video. And I just scrolled down from the design templates that they have over here, just so I could quickly show you how to use this website. I chose this, how to get started with journaling. I changed the text right here in the text box to how to get started writing in a journal. Each slide is going to be 5 seconds. So if I want to add an additional page, it's going to be blank like this. So let's say I wanted to include a text box. I can highlight this text box. You can duplicate it right here, drag it down to this slide, and let's see, let's change it to so to get started writing in journal, find some inspiration. So something you may want to add when you think about inspiration, pictures, events, something like that. So over here on elements, you can scroll down to photos, videos. So let's type in landscape. And let's look over here in these photos. So this could be an inspiration. I've been to the lake before. Let's see, type in fun. So again, down here, photos. I've been to the beach. So these could be a couple of inspiration points for me. So, and you would just continue adding pages to your video. Over here on the side, you can upload. So if you have, these are some images that I have already uploaded into Canva. So you can upload images from the internet. You could upload photos, images, video, audio from your computer. There's drawing elements if you want to use those. Text, so you can add a heading, text box. You can also add any of these fun, some of these words that are highlighted, just some text that's pretty common for people to use. And then up here in elements, you can add audio, photos, frames, videos. So let's add, and then over here on the left, audio. So let's take it back to the beginning and let's add some audio to it. I'm going to add, let's add some calm jazz. So from here, that's how we could add some audio to our video. Once again, very, very easy to use, even for young students. So this is a website. It's also an app for your phone. I use it all the time. So I would encourage you, if you don't have an account, to create one.